What is up, you amazing people, and welcome. If this camera would focus, can focus, maybe? Alright, and welcome if you guys are new around here. If you are new around here, basically we are an amazing car channel. We're just trying to grow here, so make sure to subscribe. Make sure to comment down below how your guys' day is going and what you guys want to see from this channel in the future. We also are coming out with some gaming content, so make sure to check that out as well. We're playing Need for Speed Heat. Comment down below what you want to see out of that series as well. With that being said, we're going to be getting into some C8 content today, so let's get that started. So, body kits. I mean, this is something that isn't really new to our channel. We've talked a lot about body kits for the C8 Corvette before, but this is specifically about the Rocket Bunny body kit. And I mean, Carnews has some beautiful kits out there, from like, say, the 720S to the Huracan. They have some amazing body kits, and it's one of the most famous companies for that. So with that being said, as you guys can see, this is an incredible body kit. I mean, this is gonna only be tipping your budget a little bit at $7,000, but that will be giving you the full kit and the wing as well. So I mean, this is gonna be completely helping you out with that stance nation if you want to slime this and you want to be really one of a kind. So, and some other news, just a little bit of a tidbit of what's going to be coming of the future of this week. There's also going to be a lot of talks about the new ZR1 C8 Corvette and the fact of how many horsepower that is. I'm going to leave you on the rope, and you guys are going to be able to figure that out tomorrow in tomorrow's video. And with that being said, there's actually going to be a new schedule coming out. So I know we've been a little bit spotty, so I'm going to be having consistent uploads on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure to check them out, and I'm going to be uploading them at 4 p.m. Central Time each day, because I know a lot of you are back to school, a lot of you are back to work, and a lot of all this stuff is starting up again. So I want to make sure you guys have the opportunity to watch these and see these videos. And that's all we have for this one today. So make sure you guys go out there, do some great work, and make sure to give back to others, and you guys have a great one.